Wow! Hello, everybody! Here we go! Baby shark! Wow! Like it so much! Wow! Let's go! 1, 2, 3! Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunting, do 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 do. Let's go hunting, do 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 do. Let's go hunting, do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. Save and last, do 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 do. Save and last, do 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 do. Save and last, do 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 do. Save and last. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end. Wow, I so enjoyed. Wow.
Hello?
Wow, hello, teacher.
Hello? What is your name?
My name is Monster.
Oh, hello, Monster. How are you?
Oh, I'm very good.
Oh, very good.
Wow. What is your name, teacher?
My name is Teacher Michael.
Wow, teacher Michael. Wow.
Are you ready to learn about some animals?
Wow, yes, teacher.
Okay. What do you think this is? It's yellow, and it says quack, 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 quack.
I understand. I got it. It's a duck.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can you say the duck says quack, 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 quack?
Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, very good, Monster.
Wow.
Are you a happy monster?
Yes, I am happy.
Oh, okay. What about this? Do you know what sound the green frog makes?
Ribby, 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 ribby.
Yeah.
Wow.
Listen to teacher. The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. Can you repeat that for teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit,
Oh,
ribbit.
very good, Monster.
Wow.
Wow, what about the cow? What sound does the cow make?
Moo, 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 moo.
Very good. The cow says moo, 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 moo.
Moo, 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 moo.
Very good, Monster.
Wow.
What about the cat? What
Hey.
sound does the cat make?
Meow, 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 meow.
Yes, the cat says meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, very good.
Wow.
You are so smart, Monster.
Oh, thank you, teacher.
Okay, what about the dog?
What
What does the dog say?
Woof, 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 woof.
Wow, very good, Monster.
Yeah.
Such a nice monster.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so now
Yes.
teacher will sing the animal song one time, and then the next time I want you to sing with teacher.
Wow. Okay, teacher.
So
wow.
the first time I will sing, teacher Michael will sing the animal song. But then it's your turn to sing with teacher, okay?
Wow. Okay, teacher. So we are
So,
listening to
listen,
you.
listen with these blue things. What do we call these? What
Wow,
are these?
my ears.
Your ears?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Good. How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears.
2 feel them? Oh, they're so soft.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Wow.
1, 2. 2 ears.
Wow, 2 ears. Yeah.
Wow. And then you will sing with your mouth.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
So
teacher.
listen to teacher. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The duck says quack, 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 quack. The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. The cow says moo, 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 moo. The cat says meow, 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 meow. The dog says woof, 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 woof. Okay, so that is our song. Do you want me to sing it to you one more time slower?
Yes, please, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here we go, no problem. The duck says quack, 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 quack. The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. The cow says moo, 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 moo. The cat says meow, 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 meow. The dog says woof, 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 woof. Okay, that is our song. Are you ready to sing with teacher?
Yes, teacher. I can hear dog now say woof, 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 woof,
Yes,
woof, woof.
you can hear the dog barking.
Okay.
Many
wow.
animals. Okay, so duck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I want to hear your voice.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
The duck says
quack,
quack, quack, quack, quack.
quack.
The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. The cow says moo, 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 moo. The cat says meow, 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 meow.
Oh,
The dog says
woof.
woof, woof, woof.
Wow, so good.
Thank you, teacher.
Good job.
Ah.
Good job. Do you want to read a story with teacher?
Oh, wow.
About the
I love
animals?
story,
Do you
teacher.
want to read?
Of course, yes, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you. Ah.
So now we will learn about some farm animals.
Wow.
Ah, like the cow. What does the cow say? Do you remember?
Moo.
Oh.
Moo, 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 moo.
Oh, you remember. So good.
Yeah.
Okay, today we will just read the first 2 pages. Okay, so the chicken says, "Buck-buck, buck, 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 buck." Do you like chickens, Monster?
Yes, teacher. They
Oh.
all look funny.
Yeah. How do you make the chicken sound?
Block, 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 block.
Oh, very good. Wow.
Wow.
You are such a loud chicken. I like it. Okay, so the next animal is the cat. Do you remember what the cat says?
Meow, meow, meow,
Oh,
meow.
very good. Okay, a few more. What about the dog?
The dog says woof, 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 woof.
The dog says woof, 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 woof. The cat says
Meow, 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 meow.
the chicken says
Cluck, 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 cluck.
yes, and the duck says
The
quack.
dog says quack, quack,
Quack,
quack,
quack,
quack.
quack. What about the cow? The cow says
Moo, 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 moo.
wow, very good. Okay, children, those are the animals that Teacher Michael and Mr. Monster taught you today. Today we learn about the animals. Do you want to sing one more time with teacher? One more time?
Yes,
The
of
animal
course,
song?
teacher.
Okay, here we go.
Animal song, I like it so much.
All right, let's count to 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
Here we go. I want to
Okay.
hear you say the animal sounds. The duck says quack, 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 quack. The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. The cow says moo, 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 moo. The cat says meow, 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 meow. The dog says woof, 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 woof. That is our song. Thank you. You are so good, Monster.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Yeah.
Wow, we are happy so much.
Did you have fun today learning about the animals?
Yes, teacher.
Oh. Will I see you next time?
Okay, teacher. See you next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.